Hey guys, today's video, customer brought me in this Champion 1500 watt generator, and all he wants is a carburetor clean. I tried to upsell him on a cleaning and oil change, but all he does is he wants to get running again. Because right now it's not running. Let me smell this gas. Smells okay. I don't see any real problems. Okay, let me show you the tools we need to do a quick carburetor cleaning on this. All it is going to be is some kind of air gun, pair of pliers, flathead screwdriver, 10mm socket, and a ratchet or impact to use it. Okay, so let's get to work here. Right here is where the carburetor is. Make sure the gas is off, and we're going to remove the air filter. 1, 2. Air filter looks bad. Okay, and now all I need to do is get this air filter housing off. 2 10mm nuts. Right there. Okay, this should slide right off. And here's our carburetor. If we can't pull it up a little bit. And now we're going to use our pliers to get this fuel line off. We're going to use our pliers, remove this fuel line. Easy peasy. Let's check the petcock's working. And we got gas flow. Okay, good. Now we're going to gently pry out the carburetor here. Move the throttle spring and linkage. And there we go. Now I'm going to take you over the ultrasonic cleaner, and we're going to dismantle this carburetor and clean it up and put it on and see if she fires. Okay guys, let's dismantle this carburetor. 10mm bolt on the bottom. See what it looks like inside. I was trying to save the gas in there. Oh, it's stuck. There we go. We got some real nasty stuff all up in the carburetor. Okay, what we're gonna do now, see how everything seems to be stuck in there. Needle's actuating. That's a good thing. Let's take our flathead, remove this jet here. And it's clogged. Let's see if we can't get this pin out. We might have to put it in the cleaner. What's it on? See if we can't get that emulsion tube to pop out. These little carburetors are so tiny. We can clean it with it in there too. It's not gonna hurt nothing. Okay guys, now we're gonna remove this idle. And now we're going to remove this other jet here. we're going to throw it all in the ultrasonic cleaner. And I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Okay guys, 30 minutes later, put this carburetor back on. Part, little needle, bowl, jets, plug, idle screw. Now this is where the air gun comes in. Of course it blows off. We can now see through the jet. Okay guys, let's reassemble it.
On the side. Needle and float. Oh boy, I messed up. Gotta put the needle and float on before you put this jet in. There we go. Float keeper. Now we put the jet back in.
Okay, now we put the float bowl back on. $10mm. The jet goes in right here. Add a screw. That's it. Let's put it back on the machine. Look at it here. I noticed after I got it on there, the whole carburetor bowl is cracked. A big long crack all the way down the middle. I've never seen that before. Luckily I have a bowl that will match it. Okay, now that we're back at the machine here, I'm gonna put the carburetor back on. Idle linkage back on, followed by the spring. The plate. I know what we'll put the fuel line on. We'll put that plate on there. Okay, now the plate. 2 10mm bolts. And nuts, I should say. air filter blocker, air filter, air filter cover. Okay, let's find out, guys. Okay, guys, moment of truth here. Gas off, put some gasket in there. Switch is on. Choke's on. Turns out the kill switch don't work on that. Gotta see if he wants me to fix that too. Probably not. He just wanted it running. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the bell for notifications. New video every Wednesdays and Sundays. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.